Hello everyone, welcome back to Cartitude. Today we have a special project in our bay. This Range Rover SVR is here for full protection with Xpel Stealth. Actually the car is glossy, we need to do a full conversion from gloss to stealth. Big challenge is on this bonnet. The customer wants the sides to be stealth, but he wants to keep the carbon fiber on gloss PPF. That means we will need to install the Xpel Ultimate Plus on the middle of the bonnet and Xpel Stealth on the sides. I checked it, it's the first car that will have this type of mix of PPF on the bonnet. It's not any video on YouTube, it's not any company that did this before. Why? Because it's a very difficult bonnet. With these corners here will be a lot of stretch, but in the same time the joint needs to be perfect, and it's not a simple joint from Ultimate Plus to Ultimate Plus, from gloss to gloss. It's a joint from gloss to stealth with very strange shape here. It's a challenge for us, but I'm sure we will find the right solution, and we will make this car exactly how our customer wants. You have on the back the end result. The car is now ready for collection. I'm happy. We meet the deadline. We meet the expectations of our customer. We find a way to install Stealth PPF on gloss paint and to do a conversion from gloss to stealth, and to install the gloss PPF on the middle of the bonnet of carbon, and all these joints around with these corners. Was a big challenge for us, but guess what? We have the second car on the back, and is the next project to do the same job on that SVR as well. Everything around, we did a mix of stealth and gloss PPF. Every inch of the exterior of this car is fully protected now and is ready to hit the roads. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want the best for your car, you know already the right place is here at Cartitude. See you soon, guys.